Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace the main control board in your refrigerator. Many side-by-side and bottom freezer models use a control board which regulates power to the unit, switching between the cooling and defrost circuits. If the board is faulty, then it can prevent one or more of these functions from working. If your model has a display and dispenser, it will have an additional board which controls the ice maker and the water valves. This repair is a little different and is shown in the video linked below. Some models will have a temperature control board located inside the fridge, usually at the top. You can see how to access and replace this in the video linked below. Control boards are pretty simple to replace, but are non-returnable after installation. A lot of problems can also be caused by other components, so it's best to do some tests first. You can learn more in the troubleshooting videos linked below. Now, if you're confident that the control board is faulty, then let's get started. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. If you need a new control board, then you can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. From there, you'll see a parts breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed for your model. This can also show you where your control board is mounted. First, slide the refrigerator out from the wall. When there is enough room, unplug the cord to disconnect the power. In this case, you can work on the refrigerator in place with it still against the wall. If the control board is mounted under the fridge, then you'll have to remove the kick plate. Using a large flat blade screwdriver, pry the housing down to release the clip. Now pull the housing forward. Take a picture of the wires for reference. Now disconnect the wires. Release the retaining tabs or remove any mounting screws. Next, remove the board. Align the new control board into the housing and snap it into place. Replace any screws if necessary. Now reconnect the wires. Align the housing on the guide tracks and push it forward until it locks into place. Finally, replace the kick plate. In some models, the control board is mounted on the back of the refrigerator, behind a cover panel. After removing the cover, the steps will be the same. Align the back panel onto the mounting tabs. Now tighten the screws. Plug in the cord to reconnect the power. Now slide it back into place. Make sure to leave a couple of inches of space between the refrigerator and the wall. This will allow for proper airflow. Now test the refrigerator to see if it's working properly. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.